In a bustling forest, far from the city's hum, lived a wise little bird named Kestrel, known by some with feathers painted golden, and eyes of keen sight. She was a creature of grace, a sight to delight. One sunny day, a young squirrel named Squeaky wandered lost in the woods, feeling quite squeaky. "Oh, woe is me," he cried, "I'm lost, oh, what a plight! Help me, anyone, please. I'm in deep distress tonight." Kestrel, perched high on an ancient oak tree, heard Squeaky's voice, and felt a sympathetic sigh. She spread her wings wide, and with a gentle glide, descended to the ground, and to Squeaky she replied, "What's ailing you, dear squirrel? What's the cause of your fear? I see you're lost, but don't despair, I'm here to steer. Look up to the stars, and follow the path they light. You'll find your way home by morning's first light." Squeaky sighed again, and with a grateful heart, he thanked the bird, and ventured into the dark. He followed the stars, and finally, at last, found the way home, his family giving him a blast. Back in the forest, Kestrel's work was done. She spread her wings and soared, the sun had just begun. She thought of Squeaky, and the lesson she had given, that sometimes the darkest night will lead to heaven. The moral of this tale is clear, both far and wide. Seek knowledge, and be bold, don't let fear be your guide. Through challenges and trials, you'll find your own light, and the wisdom within you will forever ignite.